Welcome to our channel. Today we want to talk about the vast new role of credit in this new AI-driven future economy. The fact is, you will never have enough cash to overcome every challenge life throws you. You will need credit to the rescue at some
points. Ready,
willing and waiting. Credit education, credit repair, and credit maturity will be a vital part of the survival kit for Americans. Credit will become the ultimate tool in the financial toolbox to navigate the unpredictable future of AI ahead. Get it before you need it. Credit protection is the way to financial safety. In an AI-driven future, financial safety isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Middle class might all but disappear, leaving just the rich and the rest. Cash is quickly disappearing also from the economy. Banks don't have to stockpile cash anymore. You will find if you need to lay your hands on some green, you will experience a mandated waiting period and a future date for pickup. Wake up, folks. The question that begs answering then is, what to do then? One surefire way to shore up your financial plans is through a solid foundation of credit. 2. Credit cards, lines of credit, overdraft protection, sign and pay systems. 3. Otherwise, without creditworthiness, you may well find yourself adrift in an uncertain, aggressive economy. We need a mindset. We must understand that credit repair is an investment, not an expense. Not as a cost, but as a vitally necessary investment in your future and the future of those that depend on you. 2. Every dollar spent on improving your credit is a dollar invested in your financial stability and independence. So first, find a competent credit repair coach. The first step to your independence. 1. Your journey to financial independence begins with finding a competent, reliable coaching and repair system. 2. Repairing your credit is the cornerstone upon which you build or rebuild a secure future. 3. Enabling you to access better opportunities for housing, employment, financial growth, and survival. Good credit will be the lifeline in the next pandemic or global crisis. People might not be able to access banks to get cash, or worse, cash might become a dangerous form of human contact. 1. As history has shown us, pandemics and economic crises are inevitable. 2. It's not a matter of if. 3. It's more a matter of when. 4. When the next one strikes, your good credit may be your only lifeline. 5. Providing access to essential resources for weathering the storm with resilience. Mindset. Start thinking. Credit for spending versus cash protection. 1. While cash may seem like a safe harbor against inflation, cash is the most vulnerable form of money. 2. In today's economy and in the AI age that is all but upon us. 3. Instead, credit offers. 4. A safer alternative for spending. 5. Allowing you to preserve and invest cash to earn so that inflation doesn't impoverish us. 6. While we leverage credit for purchases and investments, institutions like credit unions prioritize their members' interests, offering protection against inflation and financial instability. By aligning yourself with these institutions, you gain a powerful ally in your financial journey. As we hurtle toward an AI-driven future, the economic landscape is evolving at breakneck speed. Middle-class households face unprecedented challenges, with the risk of impoverishment looming large. But amidst the chaos lies opportunity. You can fight back by prioritizing credit repair, education, and maintenance. You can equip yourself with the tools needed to thrive in this new era. Join us on this journey to financial empowerment, where credit is not just a tool but a lifeline to a brighter future. Our link to your 7 and 20+ score is in the description below. So with that, we need to dive deeper still into the indispensable lifeline of the future, credit. In this fast-paced era of artificial intelligence and economic uncertainty, securing your financial future requires a strategic approach. Let's continue unlocking the power of credit, credit repair, and credit maturity as the ultimate financial raft to navigate the turbulent waters ahead. Let's discuss alternative means to save through delayed payment. 1. Traditional saving methods will not be enough to keep pace with the inflation that AI will drive in the 2024 and on. 2. by utilizing credit for purchases with delayed payment options. 3. Instead of cash, you can effectively save. 4. While still having access to essential goods and services. 5. This strategy allows you to preserve your cash reserves for emergencies. 6. While leveraging credit for everyday expenses. Join credit unions and utilize their credit repair tools. 1. Credit unions are community-focused financial institutions that prioritize their members' interests. 2. By joining a credit union, you gain access to valuable credit repair tools and resources tailored to your specific needs. 3. The individual person must start to take advantage of these offerings for better credit and financial stability. 4. Please go read and see the differences between commercial banks and CTR. Recruit a credit coach and invest in credit repair education. 1. An informed credit coach can provide personalized guidance and support as you navigate the credit repair process. 2. Investing in your credit education through coaching sessions and workshops empowers you to make informed decisions and take proactive steps toward improving your creditworthiness. Get a free profile workup. Use the link below in the description. A well-tooled credit repair company can harness new AI dispute strategies for success. 1. In the age of AI, there are innovative dispute strategies to challenge stubborn negative items on your credit reports. 2. Partnering with a reputable credit improvement company that leverages AI technology. 3. Can significantly enhance your chances of success. 4. Invest in these strategies to effectively remove inaccuracies and boost your credit score. 5. A 720 score can change your future. 6. If you are in need of help, please see link in description. Join a credit community on social media for ongoing support and information. 1. Connect with like-minded individuals in credit communities on platforms like Facebook or Instagram. 1. By joining these communities, you gain access to valuable insights, tips, and support from peers and experts in the field. 1. Stay informed, share experiences, and continue learning on your journey to financial empowerment. As we conclude, remember that your financial future is in your hands. By embracing credit repair, education, and community support, you're taking proactive steps toward a brighter tomorrow. Join us on this journey to financial empowerment, where credit is not just a tool but a lifeline to a brighter future. Join our Facebook community, link in description.